Hey everyone, how's it going? First of all, I'm outside in our garage. My husband's inside listening to music, but I got a really cool and fun idea. So I just last week asked you guys about what dishcloth you would like me to do. And I did the mosaic dishcloth, and I really like doing that. So I've been looking at these 4 patterns of tops and tunics for a while now, like months. And I can't decide which one to make first. I want to make all of them, but I have no idea which one I want to make first. So you know what? I'm asking you all. I'm asking you all, and I will probably do this from now on. What pattern do you want me to make? Okay, so we have this one first. This is the Summer Breeze crochet top. They use Karen Cotton Cakes. I don't know if I would use, I would have to see, but it doesn't matter what yarn. I'd find a nice yarn. Summer Breeze crochet top. This has a deep V-neck with the ribbing on the bottom, loose, very cute. So that's number 1. And then this one's super spectacular. This is from Annie's Crochet Club, or the website. This is the cold shoulder mandala top. Gorgeous. I don't know if you can see, but it has a little circle right there, and then it comes out. Here's the cold shoulder, and here it just has a gorgeous, gorgeous pattern, 3/4 length sleeves. I love that. But I also love the tunic. And this one is just called the tunic. Gorgeous. Little bit of a flutter sleeve. This has the scoop neck, and then it's actually quite long. I probably wouldn't make mine that long. But it is so beautiful. I love the pattern on this one too. So this one is just called the tunic. And then I love tops like this. This is the Patton's Grace open work top. So this has just like a little flutter sleeve. It has about maybe 3 inches of ribbing at the bottom and a boat neck top. Which one should I make? What tutorial would you like me to make? Okay, so we'll go down the list. This one, the Summer Breeze crochet top, is number 1. The cold shoulder mandala top, number 2. Just the tunic, number 3. Or the open work top, number 4. What top, tunic would you like me to make? Let me know down below. And you know what? Maybe I will make this into a little giveaway. The winner will receive a special prize, because I'll pick the winner too. Okay, so go ahead. This is it. Leave a comment down below. I know sometimes this is confusing because I literally just make these up as I'm doing this. So pick your favorite, pick your favorite pattern, the one that I should make a tutorial on, okay? Comment below, okay? And then I will tally all the comments, and I will pick someone from the comments, and they'll get some free yarn. I have no idea what kind of yarn, but you guys will get a couple of skeins of yarn. How's that? I think that is awesome. I don't know what kind of yarn, probably mandala or maybe a cotton. I have no idea, but that's it. Here are what you got to do again one more time, because I know sometimes people get confused, not fused. Oh man. Pick your favorite pattern. Comment below on your favorite pattern, the one that I should make a tutorial on. Okay? And then from those comments that I receive, I will pick randomly someone to get some free yarn. How's that? Does that make sense? I hope so. Okay, I can't wait to hear from you guys. I love doing this. I hope you like it too. And we will see and talk to each other in the next video. Bye.